Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the Fin Bridge, which is happening at the Nesco Goregaon, and we have with us Mr. Naman Sharma, who is the Group Product Manager of Dhan App. Dhan App is something like I heard so much from the youngsters, and I myself would like to know. So, what exactly is Dhan App? What is the USP of Dhan App? Why people should go it for this? So let's start, and then we will be linking it together. Mr. Naman Sharma here, Group Product Manager from Dhan App. So.
Hi Sujata, hi
Yeah.
everyone. So basically Dhan is a stock broking platform. We are a SEBI registered and we offer trading and investing across NSE, BSE and MCX. The users can come here and they can trade in equities, commodities, futures, options, ETFs, IPOs, mutual funds, everything they can do it here. If you ask me about the USPs at Dhan, so our key pillar, we believe in the three key pillars, and that is what makes us different from other players in the industry. One is our product.
Right.
We offer our values through our products, and product is a key thing in our services. The second is the technology. We started our broking services in 2021, and with that, right now we have built completely all the tech infrastructure in-house with the latest tech. Okay. And the third thing, and the most important thing, which overarches the other 2 points as well, is the experience, is the customer experience. Where the customers and his or her experience becomes the most key important thing in our values. So these things make us differentiate. And when I talk about experience, our experience starts right from when you install the app and do the onboarding to the taking the last final trade and having your trade reports in your system.
So how user friendly it is, even for the ladies, because they are saying that they are not that much tech savvy. So how user friendly it is, and what about the after sales after we have installed the app?
So when we say about the experience, it includes everything what you have asked right now. So as you install your app or any app in the world, like for an example, if you have installed the WhatsApp or if you have installed the YouTube, the product itself take you through it and you don't need any external support to it. So when I said the product is a key pillar, we make sure that our product is that intuitive and that friendly that you do not need any external help to go through it. Plus, at the end, like if you need any help, our customer support team is 24/7 available on different channels, and you can also call them till 6 p.m. Take any help.
So there are many apps in the market. So what I would like to say, after using Dhan app, what are the chances that we are getting richest?
Sorry, come again, please.
There are many apps available in the market. After we have installed Dhan app, we are using it. What are the chances that you will be making us richest, sir?
So we don't guarantee that.
Okay,
In the markets,
that's what I like.
yeah, we don't guarantee anything, anyone to make profit. This is a DIY platform.
Right.
We offer all the tools, all the features, everything in your hand, all the data and everything that can help you trade better, that can help you invest better. But we do not guarantee and we never ever say that if you join Dhan, you are going to make profits. No, this is not that platform. And I would say if anyone is suggesting you something like that, I would say to be aware about that thing. Okay? What we offer is all the valuable tools at one place that can give you real-time insights, that can give you analytics, that can help you trade faster, invest faster, and judge yourself, your trading and investing behavior in a better way.
And what I wanted to know about Dhan app is who should go for it? Like what credentials are there? What do we require before going for Dhan app? Anybody can do it, like school students, college students. At least they should be like 18 years of age. What is the criteria?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
As per our regulators, the 18 plus should go for the trading and investing. The demat account can only be opened by the 18 plus.
Right.
But I would suggest do the Dhan app if you know about the markets, if you know what trading and investing is. A little bit of trading and investing also, if you know, then only you come to the Dhan. Yes, we also have our YouTube channel where you can learn about trading and investing and then start trading and investing on our platform. We do have our sister company, Upsurge.club, where you can learn about trading and investing, where you can learn about the markets and then come on to our platform.
And do you conduct workshops also like this? You are like participating in the expo. Otherwise, also you are conducting any workshops for educating
we do
people.
workshops in the different cities. We do workshops in our offices also, and all these informations about these events or workshops is readily available on our community channel. services that is made for trade.in.
Hello, hi.
Thank you, Naman sir, for all this information.
Thank you.